Horoscope 2017 Predictions and Remedies. As we enter the new year, here are some general predictions of zodiac signs along with their remedies. Aries. The year begins well for you, but as the year proceeds, you will have to keep control over your impatient, rash attitude. This is a good year for students, provided you keep yourself away from distractions. Taurus. Though the year will be taxing mentally, on the whole, you will remain smiling throughout the year. Some of you may purchase a new house or vehicle. Check all documents well before purchase. Shifting of residence is also on the cards. Gemini. 2017 is a great year for you. Though the beginning will be a bit rough, things will improve marvelously as the year proceeds. Traveling is definitely on the cards. Business trips will be very profitable. Some of you might even shift to a new locality or area. Cancer. This is a favorable year, especially for businessmen. You shall gain both success and respect besides financial profits. You might even receive some award. Leo. Your family life will be good this year. Those in love may decide to get married this year. Relationships with spouse and parents will improve, though differences of opinions will persist. Women can expect a child. Virgo. 2017 will bring some very positive and auspicious changes in your life. Luck favors you this year with enhancement in status and happiness success in your life. You might purchase some luxurious electronic item this year. Funds will increase, expenses will rise too. Libra. 2017 is the year to be practical, introspective and self-analytical. This is also a period of gains and consolidation of finances. You shall profit from foreign lands and associations. Scorpio. You are already in the first phase of your Sadhisati and must have experienced its harsh impact. Tension and anxieties will persist. You may be blamed for no fault of yours. This is not the period to depend upon luck, only hard work will bring relief. Sagittarius. Keep your finances under control. Don't go in for big expenditures or investments. Don't invest in risky ventures. Health will remain average. Immunity will be low. You shall be susceptible to seasonal changes. Avoid mental stress. Capricorn. Do not start any new work nor invest in new projects till August, else your funds may get blocked. Some may even try to cheat you. The second half of the year holds promise. Professionals will have a great career. Aquarius. Avoid all controversies and ego hassles at workplace. Professional tensions will prevail and there are possibilities of change of job. Some of you may opt for self-employment. Support from foreign shores shall be favorable and positive. Pisces. 2017 will be a financially fruitful year, but the same cannot be said about other areas of life. You will have to work a little harder to gain good fortune. Career prospects will improve and possibilities of new partnerships and joint projects exist. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.